Bitcoin just broke out of this descending channel, guys, and we also have another pattern that we can have a look at where Bitcoin potentially had a breakout from. We are going to discuss the targets of both of these patterns that we are seeing right now in Bitcoin. And yeah, basically in today's video I'm going to show you what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price in the immediate short-term time frame. Is it looking bullish? Do we have to be careful? And what are the main signals that we are seeing in the chart? I'm also going to show you a small trade that I have open right now over on Bybit. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But guys, as always, before we are zooming in on the Bitcoin price action, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute, scroll below this video and smash that like button. That is very much appreciated, and that helps to push this video to a broader audience. Then guys, we are seeing that Bitcoin broke out on the 1 hour time frame, but I actually first want to go to the weekly time frame, and we're going from the bigger time frames into the smaller time frame. So let's start off on the weekly. We just closed a new weekly candle because right now it's Monday, and what we can see right here is that weekly candle is actually quite bullish, and it's again the highest weekly candle closed of Bitcoin's historical price action, which is just basically bullish, showing us that on the weekly time frame Bitcoin is still setting new highs and therefore is still in a uptrend. Then guys, let's go to the daily time frame, and let me bring back my drawings. If we zoom out right here on the daily time frame, then we can actually see that the structure of Bitcoin is still very much intact. We had a descending channel right here, which we eventually broke out to the upside, and we have a ascending channel right here, a rising channel where Bitcoin is still trading in. So the daily structure, the macro structure of the price of Bitcoin is still looking bullish. Then guys, let's dive into the shorter term time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. There is a very interesting pattern forming, and I think this is a very important pattern as well. That is this bigger rising wedge pattern in the upper half of this rising channel, and I expect a breakout out of this rising wedge pattern very soon. And volatility will come back once that breakout is occurring, and that breakout can either be to the downside or to the upside. If that will be to the downside, then the macro structure, the bullish macro structure, is still intact. So a breakdown right here doesn't mean that we are going to get a multi-year long bear market. We could get a further correction. However, right now guys, I'm leaning slightly more towards the fact that that breakout might be to the upside. Also, when we have a look at the integration of the stock to flow model, which predicts a Bitcoin price of $100,000 by the end of December this year. And we got 1.5 months left. But yeah, as you know, once Bitcoin is starting to make a run for it, most of the time these things can happen actually quite fast. But yeah, that is what the stock to flow model is saying, 100,000 by the end of 2021, December. And it's even funny because Plan B has a floor model that is a different model based on different information, which is basically stating that the floor price of December 2021 is going to be $135,000. So that is actually quite bullish. And so far, these models of Plan B have been playing out quite accurately. So that's also the reason why I want to talk about these as well. Then guys, when we have a look at our momentum indicator right here on the 4 hour time frame, we got a nice buy signal right here, and so far Bitcoin is getting a bounce. I think personally that bounce is not over yet. I will show you in the shorter term time frame, once we are zooming in on the 1 hour time frame, what is going to happen right here in the immediate short-term time frame. But we are seeing some interesting signals also right this. Bitcoin came back down right here, set a higher low, but in the relative strength index we set a lower low on the 4-hour time frame. These are called hidden bullish divergences and actually showing strength, especially when Bitcoin is already in a uptrend, which we are right now. Also on the 4-hour time frame we are still setting higher lows and higher highs. So the trend is your friend, and Bitcoin is right now still in a uptrend as well on the 4-hour time frame. Then let's go to the 1-hour time frame right here. And yeah, guys, on the 1-hour time frame we are seeing something interesting as well, also quite bullish. We had a descending channel which could be a bull flag formation, and we just broke that channel out to the upside, and therefore we are leaving this old structure and we are entering a new structure which is a more bullish structure. So what is the target of this potential bull flag formation? Well, we take the start of the pole of the flag right here, and we put that pole at the other side of the flag right here at the point of breakout, and then that would set the target of this bull flag at approximately slightly above 71,000 US dollars. But as you can see, before we are actually reaching the target, there's some very important resistance coming along right here, and I think that is going to be the more important level to watch right here. That is the resistance of that rising wedge pattern, which is at 69,000 US dollars. And guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin with leverage or over on the spot market, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video, and if you use my specific sign up link to sign up on one of these exchanges, you can get an additional bonus. And right now there is a major bonus going on over on the Bybit exchange, and if you sign up using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of 4,000 US dollars. And Bybit is one of these exchanges that I'm using the most to trade Bitcoin with leverage, but I also use it to trade Bitcoin over on the spot market. So that is quite nice. You don't have to trade with leverage, because trading with leverage is more for experienced traders, because it is more difficult, because there's a liquidation price, there's increased risks and so on. So if you are not a profitable trader on the spot market, I would definitely not recommend to trade with leverage. However, if you are a profitable trader on the spot market and you can handle your emotions, then definitely leverage trading could be the next step, which can definitely increase your profits. And if you want to learn how to trade, guys, if you want to get a more in-depth learning on how these cryptocurrency markets work, how you can create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy, I've created a trading course which you can find on my website, theblockchaintoday.com. And yeah, you can basically enroll for my trading course, which will teach you everything you need to know in order to become a profitable cryptocurrency trader. Right now there is a discount going on. You can get a $150 US discount on the trading course. Normally it's $400 US. Right now it is at $250. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can find the link and the code to use for the discount down below this video. But yeah, like I said, guys, I have a small position right now over on Bybit. I took a long position starting at 64,400 approximately. Right now that is 10% in profit. I at least want to wait until Bitcoin is going to reach that resistance right here, and I want to see how Bitcoin is going to react at that resistance, right? If we just get a rejection right here, then yeah, most likely we will be coming back down to the support. And of course it's going to be interesting whatever Bitcoin is going to do there, because if we lose the support, most likely we are going to see a further pullback. If we break the resistance, guys, that means that we are breaking the resistance of this wedge formation, but that also means that we are actually breaking the previous all-time high, and that could actually be a nice explosive breakout in the not so distant future. So this is definitely a scenario that I'm watching, guys. Bitcoin right here, if we can break the resistance of this wedge formation, then I think we could be seeing quite some fireworks coming along with that. That could trigger, let's say, that could trigger a nice acceleration in Bitcoin's rally. And guys, if we are zooming in right here, then we can also see we potentially had a inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. We broke the neckline and we see a continuational move to the upside. But the more important breakout right here is definitely the break of this descending channel. And guys, I want to show you one more pattern which is actually quite interesting. It's also a bullish pattern what we are seeing in Bitcoin. That is this potential cup and handle formation. And guys, normally a cup and handle formation is a continuation pattern, which means that we have a uptrend, cup and handle formation, and then we continue this uptrend. This is just an interesting found right here. I think this wedge formation, guys, is definitely more important. So the resistance right here and the support, uptrending support right here is more important than the cup and handle formation. However, it is just another bullish sign that we are seeing right here. So how to look at this cup and handle formation? First of all, we broke right now the handle. Would be nice to get a clean retest, have a 4-hour candle close. Of course, the breakout of the bull flag, the breakout of the cup and handle formation is going to be invalidated if we are breaking back into this pattern, into this descending channel. However, right now we are still trading above. Afterwards, with a cup and handle formation, most important thing is to break the neckline, which is at $69,000 US. Then the target of this cup and handle formation would be the width right here, put at the point of breakout. Let's say we would break out right there. And then we can say that the target of this cup and handle formation would be at approximately $76,800 US. So that is definitely possible. Like I said, if we were to break that resistance right here with a nice bullish momentum, I think that can definitely trigger a acceleration in the Bitcoin price, especially because we are entering price discovery again. We are breaking previous all-time highs. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you are interested in trading Bitcoin over on these exchanges that I'm recommending, you can find my affiliate links down below this video. And the exchange that I'm using the most is the Bybit platform. Bybit is just one of the best exchanges to trade Bitcoin with leverage, but also to trade it on the spot market. They have a very big amount of pairs that they are offering. So when we have a look at the derivatives, these are all the pairs in the US dollar comparative. Then we can see we have a lot of altcoins that you can trade right here. Also on the spot market, we are seeing new trading pairs being added on the Bybit exchange, guys. If you are interested in joining this platform, you can do that with my affiliate link down below and get $4,000 US bonus. Then guys, on the Femix exchange, which is quite similar to Bybit, I think Bybit is slightly better, but the Femix exchange is offering more altcoin trading pairs, especially on the spot market. You will get a $1,200 US bonus if you sign up using my affiliate link down below. And we have the Prime XPT platform. The Prime XPT platform is a very nice platform and is offering a little bit more trading pairs in the regular financial markets section, like the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, but also commodities. You can trade over on the Prime XPT platform, and they just launched their staking platform. So now you can also, if you are not using your liquidity on the exchange in a trade, you can actually stake your liquidity over on the Prime XPT exchange. And all of these exchanges right now, they don't require you to go through a KYC procedure, which is also a very good thing. Then guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. If so guys, make sure to leave that thumbs up down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, I want to wish you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.